If you see ants or weird things protruding from their head, that is it's a fungus called the Venus cordyceps. It's basically a mind control parasitic plant, which is really what it does. But what it does is it takes over ants and forces them to the area. They grow, usually above the other ants. It's up in the head. Spread out. You know the game of Master Book? Yeah. After it's really good, I thought that they were like a Johnny in the slime. You ever had any slime? Yeah, I have one. They're not not really.
And then today.
Get a fly or two across the net. They'll close in and it's all over. Uh-huh. The one guy on YouTube thinks he's like John.
Running around.
Oh, really?
Yeah, no, nothing. It's a great smell. Filled with one of the same acid.
Noah. Come on, Daddy.
Yes, I found the ant. Yeah, it's just it's an Arcadia ant.
No matter what, if I see a hornet, I am running away.
Worst thing I've ever done is I went to like the elementary school I went to and went to the playground when I was younger. Went under the playground and I didn't know it, but there was like a yellow jacket.
No, I don't trust that. After the first two nights, I don't want that crap to happen again. No, I'm not. I'm not gonna screw with. I'm not gonna screw with.
No matter what, if I see a yellow jacket, I am running away, and there are certainly good reasons why I do.
Okay.
Yellow jackets can survive weeks submerged in water.
Girl!
I'm at hornets.
Hey guys,
Whatever.
wait, we lost Taylor. Can somebody go see if he's that way? We didn't lose him, we just...
Yeah, now
You wanna
we
hear
have we
my-
actually have a weird invasive species.
You want to hear the reasons why I'm terrified of hornets?
Why that?
Number one, they could just, with oxygen, they could stay weeks submerged in water. They have photographic memory. They keep grudges.
Here's the scary thing we're dealing with now, though. The Asian giant hornet, also known as the murder hornet.
And
It
on
kills
t-
about 100 people a year.
What? How?
and on top
It's just deadly?
and on top of
Here's-
all
Look at the
that,
difference between a normal one and that one. These things are very big.
and on top of all that, they always report back to the colony of what they saw.
Really?
Yeah,
So you got like...
that's terrifying, isn't it?
Yeah.
Not to
So like,
mention,
they just sting people once and people die?
Yeah, no, they're normally only.
They're
in,
just like, come on, we'll wait. And I'm like, no, I'm not trusting that.
they're usually
Like,
only
I
in,
almost
like,
got left behind twice.
They're usually only in like.
I'm not gonna risk getting left
But they're
behind a third
invading
time.
over here. I think only in like Washington right now. I don't know if they've spread out this way.
also not to mention, the more angry they are, the longer they stay alive.
No, hornets. Anything outside of like a normal honeybee, if it stings you, it will not die.
Yeah. They don't have honeybee.
Because what a bee does, when it stings you, it leaves the stinger there.
Like wasps are just
For
complete
a second, I
jerks.
thought we were going to do like a zip line. I'm
What'd
like,
she
yeah,
say?
no. Ooh.
I'm gonna go the other way. Are those
Yeah.
spider
I'm
lilies?
going down there. I
No,
don't give a
spider lilies are more red.
Okay.
Come on.
They're also a symbol of death.
Spider lilies?
Red spider lilies.
Is that what these
What'd
are?
you say?
No, those are more orange than red.
And also on top of all of that, bees are just
Yeah, so
bottom of the barrel. Then we have wasps that are just complete jerks, and then hornets are just complete menaces.
maybe I should get
Yeah.
these for someone I care about. Just give them these flowers. Don't tell them what they mean.
Yeah, they
Here's a symbol of death.
Yeah. And the black roses.
Oh, hell no. Yeah, I'm